Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to stake our picks in the mission control for the new Planet IX players. So let's get started. So previously, I've uploaded a video on how to acquire new picks for new Planet IX players. So right now we're going to learn how to stake them on the mission control. So first of all, have your Planet IX ready, open, and have your MetaMask wallet open as well, and have it connected to your Planet IX account. And once you have that, now let's go to game, right? And now let's go to mission control over here. And now let's let it load. And now let's click on build. And then click on over here, build. And now we can choose whichever picks you want to stake. So over here in the mission controls, you can see we have 6 hexagons, or known as tiles. You can call them 6 hexagons or 6 tiles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can stake 1 picks per each tile. So what I want to do is put 1 pix for each of the tile and have them all have a pig stake on them. So let's go. I'm gonna choose my outlier. I'm gonna use my outlier. So I'm just gonna select this pix over here. I'm gonna select it, and then I'm gonna place it at the bottom, let's say, and then I'm gonna confirm it. Confirm. Great. You confirm it. Also, guys, if you guys are having trouble and it's not letting you confirm, check if you have enough Matic enough. And Matic is a token that we use for our gas fee here in Planet IX. So here in Planet IX, when you play Planet IX, we use a Matic for the gas fee. And if you don't know how to add Matic to your MetaMask, um, that's gonna be already. It's gonna be for another video. I believe I already have a video for that. If you guys wanna learn that, how to add Matic to your MetaMask account, I'll put it in the link down below. So let's add another one. I'm gonna add a common. This one. So I'm gonna add this here. Permit. So depending on what you guys like, you guys can have different types of pixies stake on your 6 tiles. That's what I'm doing. But if you want, you can have just like have like you can just pick like one specific tile of picks. Like say you wanna pick legendary, so you can just have all like legendary stick on your tile, or you can have different kinds. So what I wanna do is I wanna put outlier, common, uncommon, rare, and 2 legendaries. No, legendary, um, uncommon, and then 2 rares. So let me just select uncommon, put it here, permanent wallet. Let's go back. I'm gonna select where, and let me just take it here. Click on that. Confirm it. Now I want to stick another one, so I'm gonna click here, click this one, and then I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. So I'm gonna click here. So what's gonna happen is that those pixels that we've stick on a mission control is gonna produce waste. It's gonna produce waste, and you have to claim those waste when it becomes 3. So let me explain. Each tile can produce a maximum of 3 waste. After when your tile has 3 waste on it, like 3 bags of waste, you have to claim it so that it can produce 3 more waste. And what's gonna happen is that those waste, you're gonna be able to use them to get astrocredits or biomods. And those biomods and astrocredits, you can use those to build facilities. But that's a different topic. I'm not gonna teach you that on this video. Right now, we're just taking these fixes on these tiles. I'm gonna select this. If you wanna learn how to burn your waste to get astro credits or biomods, I can put the video for you guys down the link below so that you guys know. So I'm just gonna confirm this. So usually the waste that these pixies produce, I think you can collect them every 3 hours. Maybe you can have a timer every 3 hours and like kind of check if it has 3 waste, and then you can collect them. So to collect them, you just tap on it. If you guys want to know how to collect your waste, I can also have a video for that, and I can put it in the link down below. Okay. So yeah. Okay, that is for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for listening and watching and taking your time to watch this. If you learned something or you like this video, please comment down below. If you have any suggestions or questions or anything else that you want to learn, comment down below. And give this video a thumbs up, as well as our other videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so that you can be updated if you have any new content out, and we can help you out, and you can learn, and we can all learn and help each other. That is it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.